Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the font's dependency and the font resource. Open Module Build. Gradle, add the Android X font or provider dependency, then sync. This gives you downloadable fonts and the fonts in XML feature. It's faster and scales better than bundling many TTF files. Once done, create a res/font folder and add a font family XML file or reference a Google font provider. This step establishes the project-level plumbing. Make sure Gradle sync completes before moving on. Next, you declare the font family so Android knows how to fetch and apply it. Create a font XML under res/font that either lists local font files or configures the font provider with a font request. Specify weights and italic variants so text rendering matches design intent. This also enables automatic fallback. Once the XML is ready, reference the family from text view or styles using at font/yourfamily or Android, font family. Doing this centralizes typography and avoids. Finally, apply the font in layouts or via styles so the app uses it everywhere. You can set Android, font family in XML or call set typeface in code when dynamic changes are needed. Test on device and emulator. Downloadable fonts require network and provider certificates, so failures show in Logcat. If text falls back to default, clear app data, ensure Play Services or provider is available, and validate your font family XML. One key tip: check Logcat for provider signature or timeout errors to diagnose loading failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.